Rarible is a decentralized marketplace built on the Ethereum blockchain, specifically designed for buying, selling, and creating unique digital assets known as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These digital assets can represent various forms of creative work, including art, music, videos, and even virtual real estate. Rarible allows users to tokenize their digital creations, giving them ownership rights and the ability to monetize their work. To make money online with Rarible in 2024, follow these step-by-step instructions for beginners. 1. Understand the basics. Before diving into Rarible, ensure you have a basic understanding of blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs. This will help you navigate the platform more effectively and make informed decisions. 2. Set up a crypto wallet. To interact with Rarible, you need a cryptocurrency wallet that supports Ethereum. Some popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Install the wallet on your browser or smartphone and remember to secure your private keys. 3. Acquire ETH. Rarible's primary currency is Ether, the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network. You can buy ETH from cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Make sure to verify your identity and complete the KYC process to avoid any issues while purchasing. 4. Create an account on Rarible. Visit the Rarible website, h//rarible./ and create an account using your email address or connect your crypto wallet. This will grant you access to the platform's features and functionalities. 5. Explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with Rarible's interface, which includes sections for discovering NFT collections, individual items for sale, and trending assets. This will help you understand the types of digital assets available and their current market value. 6. Create your digital asset. To sell your digital creation on Rarible, you must first tokenize it. This process involves converting your digital work into an NFT. You can use various tools and platforms to create your NFT, such as OpenSea, NFT Showroom, or even Rarible itself. List your NFT for sale. Once your digital asset is tokenized, you can list it for sale on Rarible. Set a fair price based on your research and consider offering a fixed price or an auction format. Add a compelling description and high-quality images to attract potential buyers. 8. Promote your NFT. Share your NFT listing on social media platforms, art communities, and other relevant online spaces to increase its visibility and attract potential buyers. Engage with your audience and build a following to boost your chances of making a sale. 9. Monitor your sales. Keep track of your NFT's performance on Rarible by regularly checking your account activity and sales history. This will help you understand the demand for your digital asset and make informed decisions about future creations. 10. Reinvest and grow. As you make sales on Rarible, consider reinvesting some of your earnings into purchasing other NFTs or creating new digital assets. This will help you grow your portfolio and potentially increase your income in the long run. Remember that the NFT market can be volatile, so always do your research and stay updated on industry trends to maximize your chances of success on Rarible.